SolidCAM's toolkit is installed with default settings that can easily be changed to suit your needs. Let's go to the Toolkit settings and have a look at them. There are several ways to get there, such as from the various SolidCAM controls in SolidWorks. But since I already have open my part tool library, I can just go to the main menu and click View Settings. In the general settings, we have a few default directories. First is the default folder. This specifies the directory where newly created Toolkit tool libraries are saved, and when editing a tool library from within SolidCAM, where browsing starts in the Open Toolkit dialog box. Second is Import From, which specifies the default directory that's used for importing tool libraries. And third is Export To, which specifies the default directory that's used for exporting tool libraries. By default, all directories point to the same path. If you'd like to modify one, simply click the corresponding button to browse to and choose your preferred directory. Next, we have the default library name. This specifies the default tool components library that Toolkit uses to simplify tool assembly definitions, such as when adding adapters and holders. This is SolidCAM's predefined tool components library. It's included in the install and contains a wide range of standard and STL holders. If you've created a different tool components library that you'd like Toolkit to use instead, you can browse to and select it from here. Using the Generate Default Library option, it's possible to convert a holders table or database from a previous SolidCAM version and simultaneously select it for the default tool components library. Next, we have several options that I'll briefly describe. External Window for Import displays a separate window for viewing and selecting tools during the import process. Auto Add Adapter and Holder automatically adds the adapter and holder to the tool when it's added to the tool table. Show Empty Storage Group always shows in the tool table window the tool storage group, even when it's empty. Auto Sorting by Tool Number automatically sorts copied and pasted tools by placing them at the end of the list according to tool number. Components Color specifies the colors used for components when visualizing tool assemblies. Finally, we have the Tool Type Name settings. If you have preferred names for your tools other than the system-specified names, they can be modified in the Tool User Type Name column, like so. Once changed, it will be shown as such in the Toolkit dialog box.